Turn around, Eric. There we go. Hi. What you looking at? It's like Elmo.
Where are you going?
Kind of a Rocky video here.
Here, look. Here's your duck.
Come get it. You got it. You're kind of close up here. I'm gonna back up. There we go. Can you dance? Can you dance? Okay, we'll do the thing. Go. Or not right now. Okay. Okay, yo, you turned around all by yourself. All right, we're gonna go now.